does this search eventually do? Wait,
So the search API will
search.
about keywords, particularly in your tweets. For
Like,
example, let's say when you type the word tweet, so the tweets that have tweets will return as a message. Okay.
does it really, will it, is will it find tweets from other people's tweets or just your tweets?
Uh, the user, the search API will search all the tweets
Containing
containing
word.
the keyword you want to find. And
So you're telling me that all the tweets about your friends or the public tweets.
yes, it's the public tweets that the search API will return as tweets. Okay, the search API which have this format and it will return in an
It supports JSON and Atom.
yes. So I have a okay, since the search API will return JSON format, one way to parse the JSON format is this one. So this is the most basic Twitter search URL, as you can see, and this page will return this format, which is the JSON format, and retrieve results. You just need a J. Just copy and paste this one, and it will work. And
There.
yeah,
So let's see. So actually loop the results. Loop the results.
yes, we have the results containing everybody's tweets, and so okay. So
Introduce a script here which we will not use.
no, use this script for to be able to parse the JSON. Okay.
Okay, let's test it in our web
Just copy
page.
paste this one to your
Our web source code.
okay. So just copy paste this script into your web and voila. Okay.
Then we paste our code in our source code. So you can see the anatomy of the code. You can see that it gets the document out from our function, right?
Yes.
A JSON document out of our function.
It will query all the JSON format, which
We call.
yes.
Then there,
As you can see, it will parse the results and
append all results as it search,
yes.
right?
As you can see, the results here can be found in JSON format here. So let's see all the data here will be parsed
And converted to Twitter
to text.
tweets.
Okay, let's see if this works.
Let's see.
Okay. Another sample.
So this is our search button and search field. So let's type the word that we love.
The love.
Love.
Okay. Quick search.
Click search. magic. Oh, amazing. So we
Okay.
see here all the public tweets that people tweeted with the word love. And one thing amazing about this is it shows also the pictures of the people who tweeted their tweets.
Yes. As you can see, it will return all the containing love.
Yeah, regardless with the timeline, right?
Okay.
It doesn't show public timeline nor a user timeline, right?
Yes. So it's just up to you on how
You filter your
Yeah.
your results depending on how to use your Twitter API. So,
So,
that wraps up our discussion for today. This is
Twitter.
yeah, we're his tweet. I'm Ter, and his Twitter API tutorial. See you next time in our next episode on our quest and journey to help Arnie. That's all.
Mapush.